Hello everyone, I'm Sindhu from Agriculture College and Research Institute, Killikulam. Let us discuss about the topic processing and value addition. First, let us see what is agroprocessing. Agroprocessing is defined as a set of techno-economic activities which is carried out for conservation and handling of agricultural produce and to make it usable as food, feed, fiber, fuel or industrial raw material, which encompasses all operations from stage of harvest till material reaches the end users in the desired form, packaging, quantity, quality, and price. Value addition. Value addition, which is nothing but the process of transforming a product from its original state to a more valuable state, which is concerned with the addition of value. High price is realized for the same volume of a primary product by means of processing, packing, and upgrading the quality of the product. Now let us discuss about the needs for processing and value addition, which improves the profitability of farmers, which reduces the economic risk of marketing, which provide better quality, safe and branded foods to the consumers, which reduce post-harvest losses, which increases opportunities for smaller firms and companies through the development of markets, which provide the gainful employment opportunities and revitalize the rural communities. Importance of processing and value addition, which deals a large group of crops having a great medicinal, nutritional, and health promoting values. India is second largest producer of fruits and vegetables. Only 10% of that horticulture produce is processed here. Post-harvest losses are minimized, that is the losses of about 5 to 30%, which amounts to more than 8,000 crore rupees per annum, which enables higher potential for export and which is the effective utilization of the pigments, amino acids, oleoresins, antioxidants, flavors, and aroma. Let us discuss about the advantages, which increases the total revenue of the producer, which changes the raw food into edible palatable form, which enables storage of the perishable and semi-perishable agricultural commodities, which generates employment in large sections of the society, which satisfies needs of consumers at the lower cost, which serves as an adjunct to transportation, storage, and merchandising. Let us see what are the strategies for value addition. There are five strategies, which is the form value, location value, time value, ownership value, and information value. First, let us see what is form value, which is the converting raw materials into finished or semi-finished products, which increases the usability of the product, processing and packaging, maintaining product quality, which is cleaning, grading, sorting, and cooling. Then let us see the location value, which provide a product at a desired place and which providing a assortment. For example, door-to-door delivery, mail order, convenience stores, truck stop, fast food, and internet sites. Then let us see the time value, providing product at a desired time. Market windows using the seasonality, then storage, scheduling, transportation, and processing. Then let us see the ownership or possession value, cost and risk holder, which is the insurance, hedging options, and a credit agreement such as loans, letters of credit, lease agreements, rent to own. For example, you pick farms, equipment rentals, contract harvesting or a land clearing, shipping insurance, Visa, MasterCard, and other credit cards, future markets, etc. Then let us see the information value, which is nothing but to inform and educate, to persuade, done through marketing functions such as advertising, promotion, packaging, and labeling. For example, weekly ads, labels and brands, geographic identity, packaging, third-party certification, point of purchase materials. Let us see the research and development organizations in agro-processing sector in India. CFTRI Mysore, CIPET Ludhiana, IARI New Delhi, NDRI Karnal, DFRI Mysore, CIAE Bhopal, IIT Kharagpur, GPPUA Pantnagar, TNAU Coimbatore, PAU Ludhiana, GAU Anand, and RAU Udaipur. This is the flow chart which shows the processing of the rice. Let us see what is milk processing. Liquid milk is highly perishable and sold in local markets only. Collected milk is tested for quality, pasteurized, chilled, stored under low temperature, which is packed as pasteurized milk, butter, ghee, milk powder, and cheese. Raw milk processing rose to 31.9 lakh liter per day from only 6.55 lakh liters per day before Operation Flood program. 50% of the marketed milk is processed from total marketed supplies of milk. Out of this, 39% is in cooperative sector, 44% in private sector, and 17% in other segment. More than 500 dairy plants handling over 56 million liters. Then let us see what is skimmed milk, which is prepared by removing fat, vitamin A, and fat soluble vitamins suitable for diabetic, obesity, high cholesterol, heart diseases, and hypertension, etc. Then let us see the toned milk, which is the addition of constituted skim milk to whole buffalo milk to reduce fat to 3% suitable for malnourishment, pregnancy, etc. Then let us see the standardized milk. Raw, pasteurized, or sterilized milk is separated into cream and skimmed milk and processed to condensed milk, butter, etc. Then let us discuss about the meat, poultry, and marine product. Total meat production in India is 6.2 million tons, of which 20% is processed. Livestock slaughter in India is very low, that is 1.5%, just compared to developed countries. According to Ministry of Food Processing Industry, 171 meat processing units are there, 1,028 fish processing units registered with MPEDA. Processing of pulses. Pulses constitute 10 to 15% of the India's food grain diet, which are rich in protein lysine, and which are consumed in the form of the de-escalated split pulses. More than 75% of the pulses are consumed as the dal and parched gram, dal fruit, and cattle. Pulse processing is known as the milling, that is the 10,000 pulse milling units are here. Third largest food grain industry in India, and the traditional milling method is only 70% in comparison to 85% production yield. Fruits and vegetables. Due to increase in surplus and distant market transport of fruits, that is the jam, chili, squash, syrups, and canned fruits are obtained. Fresh vegetables include pickles, sauces, dehydrated vegetables, and frozen fruits. Only 2% of the total fruits and vegetables are processed in our country. 20% of the processing units are in Maharashtra, and 10% in Uttar Pradesh, 9% in Tamil Nadu, and 8% in Kerala, and 1.2% in Bihar. Around 1 million tons of fresh fruits and vegetables are sold as the packaged products. Here we see some of the processed food, biscuits and bread, fried products, popped and puffed cereals, expanded cereals, beaten rice, extruded foods, fermented products, traditional sweets, processed fruits and vegetables, and instant mixes. Let us see methods followed for value addition of the food product. First, food fortification, process of adding micronutrients, that is the essential trace elements and vitamins to food. There are some four methods of food fortification. That is the biofortification. That is the breeding crops to increase the nutritional value, which can include both conventional selective breeding and modern genetic modification. Then there is the synthetic biology. That is the addition of the probiotic bacteria to food. Then commercial and industrial fortification. That is the flow-rise oils. Then home fortification. Then let us see what is food enrichment. Enriched food is a food to which nutrients have been added. Typically, the added nutrients are present in the food in its original form but are removed at some point during processing. For example, white bread, to which certain vitamins are added after the bleaching process to depress them. WHO and FAO defines the fortification as the practice of deliberately increasing the content of an essential micronutrient. Let us see what is packaging, preserving the quality of processed product, extending shelf life, and facilitating distribution, while also enhancing presentation and marketability. Then let us see what is organic food. Organic foods have a longer shelf life as the amount of chemicals present in them, which are minimum and are easy to manage, high in nutrients, and highly valued. Thank you everyone for listening and keep smiling.